Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll be discussing Committee of Sponsoring Organizations, COSO. The Committee of Sponsoring Organizations of the Treadway Commission, COSO, is a joint initiative of 5 professional organizations, established in 1985 in the United States. Its purpose is to provide guidance and frameworks for effective internal controls, enterprise risk management, and fraud deterrence. It consists of 5 components. Control environment. This component establishes the tone at the top and creates the foundation for all other components. It includes factors such as the organization's culture, code of conduct, and ethical values. Risk assessment. This component involves identifying, analyzing, and responding to risks that may impact an organization's ability to achieve its objectives. It includes the development of a risk management process to manage risks and prioritize controls. Control activities. This component includes policies and procedures that are put in place to help ensure that management's directives are carried out. It includes activities such as approvals, authorizations, verifications, and reconciliations. Information and communication. This component includes the communication of information, both internally and externally, to support the functioning of other components of the framework. It includes the identification, capture, and exchange of information to support effective decision-making. Monitoring activities. This component involves ongoing monitoring of the system of internal controls and includes both ongoing monitoring and separate evaluations. It involves assessing the effectiveness of the internal control system, taking corrective actions, and reporting on the system's performance. COSO also emphasizes the importance of effective enterprise risk management, (ERM), to identify, assess, and manage risks that could impact an organization's objectives. The COSO Enterprise Risk Management (ERM) framework consists of 8 interrelated components that help organizations effectively manage risks. Internal environment. This component sets the tone for the organization's risk management culture and includes its mission, values, ethics, and risk appetite. Objective setting. Organizations should establish clear, achievable, and measurable objectives that align with their mission and risk appetite. Event identification. This component involves identifying internal and external events that could impact the organization's objectives. Risk assessment. Organizations should assess the likelihood and impact of identified risks on their objectives. Risk response. Based on the results of the risk assessment, organizations should develop and implement risk response plans, which include avoiding, accepting, mitigating, or transferring risks. Control activities. Control activities are the policies and procedures that help ensure that risk responses are effective and efficient. Information and communication. This component includes the information and communication systems necessary to support risk management activities, including reporting, monitoring, and feedback mechanisms. Monitoring. Organizations should regularly monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of their ERM processes to identify areas for improvement and to ensure that the processes remain relevant and up-to-date. Overall, the COSO framework provides a comprehensive approach to internal control and risk management that can help organizations operate more effectively and efficiently. It is widely recognized as a leading standard for internal control and has been adopted by many organizations around the world. That's all for the introduction to COSO. For additional information, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.